Madagascar. It's another beautiful day, and I'm off to my next adventure, the Pyrenees. I have arrived in the village of Pyrenees, which is just outside of the Indri National Park, the location of my next quest. Another early morning, but I don't want to miss anything. At the end of this trail is a life experience that is unbelievable. Follow me. I'm headed for one of the greatest natural experiences on the planet, literally. It's so good, I put it on par with the songs of the humpback whale. We're getting closer. I'm looking for the largest member of the lemur family, an endangered species called the Indri. But the thing about the Indri is you don't really look for them with your eyes. You hunt them with your ears. The Indri is the only one that sings. All the other lemurs burp or belch or otherwise bark, but this lemur sings. Up here. This is not just an auditory experience. It's a full body experience. The call in Indri permeates your whole body and makes you vibrate. We've now been hiking through these woods for several hours, and suddenly we think we've hit the jackpot. The moment has come. There are Indri right above us. We've done it. We found our first group of Indri. It looks like we found a typical family unit, which usually consists of 3 to 5 individuals. So this will be mom, dad, and the kids. It's a family group of Indri. Another interesting fact, they are the only lemur without a long tail. They are also unbelievable clingers and leapers because of their long, almost frog-like hind limbs. The locals call him Babakutu, man of the forest. According to legend, a young boy got lost. His father, distressed, went out looking for the boy. He became lost too. The whole village then went out looking and found them. But they had changed into Indris. Babakuto. And the call that we're waiting for is the call of the father looking for his lost son. That's what we're listening for now. With their supersized vocal sacs, these living, breathing, air raid sirens can be heard for miles. In fact, they are one of the loudest mammals on the planet. They are so loud, close exposure could actually cause hearing loss. Absolutely. That was an overwhelming experience. I think I'm just gonna sit down right here and take it all in for a while.